Investment advisory services are offered through Fusion Capital Management, an SEC-registered investment advisor. The firm only transacts business in states where it is properly registered or is excluded or exempted from registration requirements. SEC registration is not an endorsement of the firm by the Commission and does not mean that the advisor has attained a specific level of skill or ability.
Welcome to Navigating Retirement with Rick Durkee.
Hi, this is Rick Durkee, founder of the Coastal Financial Planning Group and the host of Navigating Retirement. And now let's continue with our Election 2020 financial update. Remembering as in past videos of our election update, this is an unprecedented election to say the least. In this video, we'll take a look at what economic issues will be affected by the results of this election and also what things may look like under a Biden presidency. So let's take a quick look at how Biden's economic agenda lines up. First of all, in the infrastructure area, Biden wants infrastructure bill, just like President Trump, at more than $1 trillion. Currently, this is tied into some of the latest coronavirus stimulus bills. Biden's plan focuses on climate change as well. In the area of taxes, Biden will roll back tax cuts, apply payroll tax to those making over $400,000, and 75% of Biden's tax hike will come directly from the top 1% of income earners. And in the all-important area of healthcare, of course, conservation in the Biden campaign of the Obamacare plan is important, but Biden has been said to oppose Medicare for all, wants to create the public option, and also Biden wants to lower Medicare eligibility to age 60. Now, in the area of trade, Biden wants a coalition with international allies to pressure China. And in the area of jobs and wages, Biden wants to create jobs through infrastructure investments, just as President Trump does. Biden also wants to raise the minimum wage to $15. Trump does not want that on a national level. He would leave it up to the states. In the area of climate change, Biden wants net zero emissions by 2050, not soon enough, some say. Biden will also rejoin the Paris Climate Agreement. In the area of student debt, Biden proposes forgiving that debt for poorer graduates. These are just some of the political factors and the political agenda items that factor into our economy. So in closing, we don't know the future, but we do know what conditions are today. As we recently discussed in our mini-series about building tax-free income in retirement, now is the time to protect yourself proactively. Regardless of who wins, it's within your control and the steps you take proactively in your planning that will help you either protect your assets and your family or leave you exposed to the volatility and the risks of the future. So if you're concerned about your financial future, the future of our country, or the future of the elections and the results of the elections, give us a call at the Coastal Financial Planning Group. We'll help you to proactively plan for your future.
Catch more of Rick Durkee and Navigating Retirement by visiting cfpgroup.biz.
While we believe the information in this broadcast is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investment advisory services are offered through Fusion Capital Management, an SEC-registered investment advisor. SEC registration is not an endorsement of the firm by the Commission and does not mean that the advisor has attained a specific level of skill or ability. Investment in securities or the market involves a potential risk for loss of principal. Trading, therefore, may not be suitable for all listeners. Annuity guarantees are based solely on the financial strength and claims-paying ability of the issuing company. Withdrawals of growth from annuities may be taxable as ordinary income in the year it is taken. Individuals should review contracts for specific details of the product's features and costs. Early withdrawals may subject the owner to penalties, fees, or taxes.
Fiduciary duty extends solely to investment advisory advice and does not extend to other activities such as insurance or broker-dealer services. Advisory clients are charged a fee for assets under management, while insurance products pay a commission, which may result in a conflict of interest regarding compensation.